here, and I'm very happy that I'm not coming alone, but I'm coming with a big present from Italy to the Serendipity and to Goa, because we have just inaugurated a wonderful exhibition by Caravaggio, a master of Italian, European and world painting here in Serendipity, especially for the 10th edition of this incredible festival here in Goa. Serendipity is a very complex, articulated festival, so many things going on at the same time, and so different genres of art and music here in Goa. So it's a pleasure for me as well. It's the first time that I am here, and so I'm looking forward to experience this fantastic festival here in Goa. I think that art is a wonderful bridge to open your mind, to elaborate new connections, to understand better the reality, and to have then a bright vision for the future. And this year it's very special because we have Caravaggio, which brings us to the past but also to the future. And there is so much contemporary art, so it's a global experience that you might get in the festival this year.
आमी आसा सद्या नागाई हिल्स आनी हांगासर आयज आमी वेगवेगळे परफॉर्मन्सीस जे आसा तेंचे आर्टिस्टांक आमी मेळटा. म्हाज्या वांगडा आसा सर तुमकां वेलकम. कोंकण फंक इज युअर ग्रुप, सो वॉट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम टुडेज पब्लिक?
So we are really hoping that the crowds come up in good numbers today. It's all about Goan music. Amchen sagle, you know, and you know, we've got these fantastic musicians from Bombay. They're amongst the best in the country, and they're coming here to play our music. Yeah? And so we've got our whole repertoire is Konkani music. So yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun, and we are hoping that we'll get a good crowd response.
This is the 10th edition आणि आमी म्हणटा की सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल इज अ पार्ट, म्हणजे सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स वेगवेगळे आर्ट वर्क किंवा परफॉर्मन्सीस सगळे एकठांय एका प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर हाडटा. सो ह्या विशयी तुमकां कितें दिसता?
See, I'm glad that Serendipity Festival is the kind of festival that it is. Arts asa, culinary asa, drama asa, workshops, activities, music performances, sogle asa. So it is a very culturally enriching festival. And now in the 10th year, they've taken the extra step. They've gone the extra mile, and they've made it extra special for us. And yeah, so I'm really privileged to be part of the festival.
You like perform before in the Serendipity Arts Festival?
Yes. So performed last year for the Father concert in here at Nagali Hills. Earlier this year in May, we performed in Birmingham in the UK with Serendipity. It was the first time that Serendipity took the festival outside of India. So we performed with them in Birmingham, and now again, this is the third time that we are performing with the festival again back in Nagali, back in Goa.
Now only two to 3 days are left for the festival to get over. So what message do you want to give to the audience about this festival?
Come in numbers. Come in numbers. Come, everyone, come in numbers. Make this a success. Make this a celebration of the arts. And yeah, look forward to seeing you.
आमी सध्या आसा नागाई हिल्स हांगासर आनी म्हाज्या वांगडा आसा वायल्ड वायल्ड वुमन, जी इंडियेंतले फर्स्ट फिमेल हिप हॉप ग्रुप. वेलकम मॅम.
Hi, hello, we are Wild Wild Women. We are India's first all-female hip-hop collective, and I'm just going to introduce some of the crewmates that are here. We're a total of 9 people, which is 5 rappers, 2 breakdancers, 1 live mural artist, as well as a skateboarder. This is hashtag Preeti.
Hello.
This is Gauri, who's the artist. This is Kranti Nari, and we have MC Mahila. My name is Pratika, and I'm a rapper and I also produce for the crew sometimes.
How you came together?
We met at a cypher event that the both of them organized because they knew that there were a lot of girls around, but everyone wasn't necessarily meeting and actually jamming together, and we wouldn't always get an opportunity around very male-driven cyphers. So when we came together, there was 12 of us, and today there's 5 of us rappers and the rest of the crew. So yeah, today's actually our 5th year anniversary, so you've caught us on a good date.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And you just come perform there. How was the response from the public?
The response was incredible. Do you have something to add to it?
Yeah, I think everyone was listening to what we are saying. Usually people are just like dance karao. But यहाँ पे everyone was listening, they were sitting. But by the end of it, they all were in sync with us. So it was all together that we were celebrating.
Ma'am, this is the festival which brings all the performances, exhibition, art, all art forms together on one platform.
Yeah.
So, what do you have to say about that?
We are super excited because this is also celebrating the 10th year of Serendipity, and it is one of those platforms that actually gives a chance to a lot of new emerging artists, but at the same time across the different fields of arts, not only limited to music but also art and other more tech contemporary forms of art in general, which comes through painting, dance, movement, and every other form. So we're super happy to be included in this year's edition because it's a really special time of the year for us as well, and December in Goa is just beautiful.
Thank you, and all the best for your journey. Keep entertaining people.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, we are wild, wild women, and that's how we do it.
आमी सध्या आसा नागाई हिल्स आनी हांगासर सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवलाच्या निमतान आमी जाणा की दर दिसा एक वेगवेगळे कार्यक्रम हांगा जाता, वेगवेगळे परफॉर्मन्सीस हांगा आसता. आयज म्हाज्या वांगडा वरुण वेंकीस आसा जे म्युजिशियन ड्रमिस्ट आसा, वाजयतात. जाणून घेवया तेंचे आयचो एक्सपिरियन्स तेंचो कसो आसा तो. सर, वेलकम टू आवर शो, वेलकम टू गोवा.
Thank you so much for having us. I'm Varun Venkat, and this activity that we do here is called a drum circle, and it's a lot of fun, regardless of whether you have played a drum before or not. ये सबके लिए है, बिगनर, नॉन बिगनर, म्यूजिशियन, मतलब सब लोग ड्रम बजा सकते हैं, और इसके माध्यम से हमारे मन में कैसे स्ट्रेस हम फ्री कर सकते हैं, मज़ा ले सकते हैं, और एक दूसरे के साथ मिलजुल के बजा सकते हैं ड्रम. We can experience that in this session. So we first came here in 2017, and since this is the 10th year of Serendipity, we are back. So I'm very grateful to the whole team at Serendipity for having us here.
So, how has been the response to your?
Very nice, very nice. The first day there were a lot of people. Second day the groove was very different. Today also, since after this we have a Konkani funk, so I'm hoping ki there'll be a lot of Goans drumming with us today. We'll also do some nice Konkani songs as a part of the drum circle.
As we know that Goa is, we say that kalakaranchi khan, as in
Yes,
it is we have many artists here in Goa.
Yes.
So, any of the artists you met?
Well, I met some people who came with their own drums on day one, so it was really nice to see. Also, the level of music, exactly. Level of music and rhythm is much higher than other places. So, Goa is so musical and rhythmic. It's great. It's great. Yeah.
So, what do you expect from today's crowd?
Today, I just expect to have a good crowd, and we'll find a good rhythm and play it together. Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much.
10th edition of the Serendipity Art Festival. Mr. Sunil Munjal गेली 10 वर्सां गोंयांत हें ऑर्गनायज करता. एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ गोवा तांकां सपोर्ट करता. हांव कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करतलो सुनील मुंजाल हेजी एंटायर टीम फॉर ऑर्गनायझींग दीस सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट फेस्टिवल. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट मोर दॅन 40 कंट्रीज आर्टिस्ट हे हांगासर ऑर्गनायज करता, ते पार्टिसिपेट जावपाक येतात, पळोवपा खातीर येता. दीस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट आर्ट फेस्टिवल इन द एशिया. सो दॅट गोंया खातीर इट इज अ प्राऊड मोमेंट अशा पद्दतीचें सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट फेस्टिवल हांगासर जावप. म्हाका दिसता इट इज नॉट ओन्ली म्हणजे तो स्वता करता अशें न्ही, तर गोंयांतले डिफरंट कलाकार जे आसा, आर्टिस्ट दे आर पार्टिसिपेटींग. द स्पेशलिटी जर ह्या फावटीची म्हणत वीच इज इन चारी वाडो, मोयरा सारकेलो चारी वाडो तांणी जो रिप्रेझेंट केला, वीच शोज द गोवन आर्ट. एक्चुली गोंयचो चारी तेणी दाखोवपाचो खरोखरूच खूब बरो प्रयत्न केला. त्या खातीर वन्स अगेन हांव समेस्त गोंयच्या आर्टिस्टाच्या वतीन हांव ताका खूब खूब कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करतलो. गोंयच्या सगळ्या यंग टॅलंट आर्टिस्टांनी सेरेंडिपिटी फेस्टिवल खरोखरूच येवन पळोवचें, अनुभवचें. इट इज नॉट म्हणजे फक्त पळय सारकें न्ही, यू कॅन टेक एक्सपिरियन्स इट. इट इज फॉर 10 days फेस्टिवल 12 तारखेच्यान 21 तारखेपर्यंत जे चलता. खूब ब्युटिफुली त्यांनी क्युरेट केला, ऑर्गनायज केला, डिफरंट प्रोग्राम्स ऑर्गनायज करता. खरोखरच तांचे परत एकदा हांव कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता, तांचें अभिनंदन करता. एंटायर टीम त्या खातीर गोंय सरकारच्या वतीन हांव ताका बेस्ट विशीस दिता.
Okay, I feel so excited about the Serendipity Arts Festival 10th edition. I came from Nairobi, Kenya to come and experience the exchange program. Yeah, so far it has been good.
You have visited other places, other venues of the festival?
No, I came yesterday, so I've not been able to visit other venues. But last year I visited almost all the venues, and I went up to Nagali to see it was not what was happening there. Yeah. And today I'm also ready to go to other festivals in the evening after the exchange program.
Oh, it's wonderful so far. I've only arrived kind of quite recently, and so it's my first time in India as well. And so it's a real sort of explosion of images and cultures that I'm not so familiar with. So it's been wonderful.
This is your first time for the festival, or you have come previous edition?
First time for the festival, yeah. So yeah, it's
Your expectations are fulfilled?
yeah, it's very, very exciting. And I think we've just had an introduction to all of these people who've come from different arts organisations from all over the world. And so it's going to be a great opportunity for meeting new people and forming new collaborations.
Have you visited other venues of the festival?
Not as yet. I only arrived last night, so I'm still figuring it all out. But there's going to be a lot to see and do for sure.
So you have expected more for the festival. There are other venues like Kala Akademi or Old GMC. There are other venues. Nagai Hills, there is a performance.
Yeah, and a lot of it for me is about when I go to these kinds of things, it's not just exploring the festival, but exploring the city and all of the different places. So it's all very, very new to me, yeah.
Well, first of all, it's an absolute pleasure to be here. I'm from an organisation in the UK called Act On It, a non-profit company using education to support young people using the arts. So to be part of Serendipity, which is a very open and very inclusive festival, and it's really built on the values that we share. The values about making connections, about humanity, about kindness. So today is really the start of a lot of conversations. As I say, very grateful to be invited, and just already a lot of really fruitful discussion, which I think will build new relationships and the strength of what the arts can do.
There are different disciplines in this festival, whether it is art, performing art, or exhibition, or workshops, activities. Have you visited all of them?
I have visited quite a lot since I arrived, yes, and I have to say what I've been really impressed with is the diversity, but the diversity being one, so things aren't being seen as separate. That interdisciplinary is really a strength. Seen some amazing theatre, some very powerful storytelling, and an exhibition on salt, so quite a diverse range. And then the River Rag last night at sunset, which also brought the natural beauty of Goa and to one with the festival. So yeah, some really wonderful stuff.
दर दिसा IPRSचो इव्हेंट जाता जितून वेगवेगळे परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट तुमच्या मुखार आमी हाडल्यात वेगवेगळे तेंचे जे आर्टिस्ट आसता तेंचे आमी इंटरव्यूज केले तेंचे जे परफॉर्मन्सीस आसा ते आमी जाणून घेतले आयज म्हाज्या वांगडा आसा शाहबाज खान ही इज वन ऑफ द परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट फॉर टुडे सर वेलकम टू आवर शो वेलकम टू गोवा
थैंक यू सो मच हम लोग गोवा आए हैं और गोवा तो मेरे फेवरेट प्लेस है और सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट फेस्टिवल तो मतलब बहुत फेम फेस्टिवल है और उसमें हम लोग को गाने का मौका मिला और IPRS टीम बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है और IPRS टीम का मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि मुझे इस मौका दिया सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट फेस्टिवल
दिस इज़ द 10th एडिशन सो जो इस साल बहुत सारा ये इवेंट बहुत आज नाम कमा रहा है अलग इवेंट्स इसमें है परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट है और डिफरेंट क्राफ्ट है आपने और कोई विजिट किया है वेन्यू वगैरह
मैं अभी थोड़ी देर पहले यहाँ कला एकेडमी में मतलब विजिट किया था बहुत अच्छा मतलब वहाँ पर कुछ एक्टिंग का मतलब पुराने टाइम का मतलब चल रहा है और यहाँ पर कुछ डांस का भी है अभी मैं देखने वाला हूँ अभी गया नहीं हूँ और उससे पहले मैं इंस्टा में किसी का परफॉर्मेंस सुन रहा था बॉलीवुड के एक सिंगर है शान उनका सुन रहा था तो बहुत अच्छा मतलब यहाँ का क्राउड ही बहुत अच्छा है
17 तारीख का आए थे वो
हाँ 17 को आए थे हाँ मैं स्टोरी पे इंस्टा स्टोरी पे देख रहा था मगर बहुत अच्छा यहाँ का क्राउड और यहाँ सूफी क्राउड भी बहुत ज़्यादा है वेस्टर्न तो है ही मगर सूफी भी बहुत अच्छा सुनते हैं यहाँ के लोग
तो आज क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं
आज जो हमारा जो एक्सपेक्टेशन है वो है कि क्लासिकल और सूफी जो ओरिजिनल जो कवाली है वो हमारे घराने से मतलब मैं सुनाऊंगा ओरिजिनल कंपोजिशंस
रूह कवाली
वो रूह कवाली का ये मतलब है कि अपनी रूह से और वो ऊपर वाले को कनेक्ट करता है
अच्छा
उसका मतलब ये है
आत्मा से ओके सर आप एक कवाली अभी सुना सकते हैं क्या
ज़रूर मैं सुनाऊंगा मन भज रस हरदम अली अली मन भज रस हरदम अली 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 शेर खुदा के महाबली शेर खुदा के महाबली मन भज रस हरदम अली अली
बहुत अच्छा सर बहुत अच्छा थैंक यू सर थैंक यू आपको अगली जर्नी के लिए आपके बहुत सारे शुभकामनाएं
अरे थैंक यू सो मच और आप लोग की ब्लेसिंग्स है और मेरा शो कामयाब हो जाए बस
हाँ सर और गोवा में हर बार आते रहिए ऐसे इवेंट हमारे यहाँ करते रहिए और लोगों का भी प्यार आप पाते रहिए
ज़रूर 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 आप लोग का प्यार रहेगा ज़रूर आएंगे हम फिर से
थैंक यू आयज आमी आसा आर्ट पार्क हांगासर आर्ट पार्क युजली आमी पळयतात तेन्ना स्कूल जे चिल्ड्रन आसा स्टुडंट्स आसा तेंच्या खातीर हो एक पिकनीक स्पॉट पूण जेन्ना सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल हांगा येता त्या वेळाचेर हांगासर वेगवेगळे एक्टिविटीज आसता वेगवेगळे पेंटिंग्स आसता ते तांकां पळोवपाक मेळटा तशेंच ज्यो एक्टिविटीज आसता तितून तांकां भाग घेवपाक मेळटा म्हाज्या वांगडा आयज सद्या एक टिचर आसा जे ह्या विशयाचेर उलयतले जेन्ना ते भुरग्यांक घेवन येयल्या तेंच्या बद्दल तेंचे जाणून घेवया की भुरग्यां खातीर हो एक उपक्रम कसो हेल्पफूल जातलो सर वेलकम टू आवर शो
Yes, hello, I'm Akash Salgaonkar from Chabichik Spring Valley High School. It was a nice exposure for the student, Serendipity Art Festival, wherein the students are exposed to number of things, especially our fine art students. They are the new subject actually as per the NEP. So students got the opportunity to talk to the artist and this is nice platform I feel wherein on one note art, culture and the tradition is mixed together and it is showcased in such a way that when we entered over here only, we felt like yes, it is a part of our life which we have not experienced or we never thought about it actually. And it is a good opportunity for our students, like from Chapichiks we have come from here only, Porvorim, like other students also. I feel like other schools also should come over here and take opportunity, and they should see this in actually that this is a different part, as you said in actually that it is art actually. This it is art garden, but today it is something different.
There are various activities. That side we have seen the culinary of Goa, pre-Portuguese era, Portuguese era, kokum, various things. Have you watched it?
Yes, we have seen that. We have taken a round, but it was a short time, so we couldn't spend more time on that. Actually, it will take at least 1 or 2 days to go to each and every item and to spend quality time with that.
Any other venues you have visited?
No, here only we have, because we are with the student and it is a group of 44 students. So we tried in actually few things in detail.